Do you buy books with the best intentions, then they just collect dust? You're not lazy, you just have a broken reading system. That's why you can't finish books. Today, we fix it in 60 seconds. Most people try to read books they think they should read, not books they genuinely want to read. This is the core problem. The fix is simple. It's called the 3-chapter test. Stop starting a book at the beginning. Just jump in and read the most interesting chapter first. Seriously, this builds instant momentum. Next, apply the 3-chapter test before you commit. Read the introduction and 2 main chapters. If you aren't completely hooked after those 3 sections, stop reading the book. You do not owe that book your time. This isn't quitting, it's strategic prioritization. Here is the secret weapon. Use the 20-minute rule. Don't say you'll read an entire chapter, just say you'll read for 20 minutes a day, set a timer. When the timer is done, you are done. This tiny commitment is easy to start and impossible to fail. Consistency wins. Ready to clear out your unfinished pile and finally build a sustainable reading habit? Hit the like button if you're going to try the 3-chapter test. Subscribe to Grow Every Minute for more simple self-help frameworks. Remember, the goal isn't to read more books. The goal is to extract value from the right ones. Apply the rules, finish strong.